मैरिज करना चाहती हैं या लव मैरिज?
अरेंज ऑफ कोर्स। कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होती है इन फ्यूचर तो हमारे पेरेंट्स एटलीस्ट हमारे साथ होते हैं। लव मैरिज में प्रॉब्लम तो हो सकती है आगे।
आई प्रेफर अरेंज मैरिज बिकॉज मैं फैमिली की तरफ से सोचना चाहता हूँ कि फैमिली से छोड़। पर्सनली आई प्रेफर लव मैरिज बिकॉज लव मैरिज में ये है कि हम जिसके साथ मैरिज करने जा रहे हैं हम उसे पहले जानते हैं।
मेरी प्रायोरिटी वो लव कम अरेंज है कि मैं किसी को लाइक करती हूँ, किसी से प्यार करती हूँ, एंड ऑन द अदर साइड मेरे पेरेंट्स भी उस चीज़ को अप्रूव करते हैं। इफ़ नॉट पॉसिबल कि हाँ लव और क्वेश्चन है नहीं तो एट लास्ट आई विल गो फॉर अरेंज।
मैं प्रेफर करूँगी लव मैरिज क्योंकि आप ऑलरेडी उस इंसान को जानते हो जिसके साथ आप पूरी लाइफ रहने वाले हो। सो आई थिंक कि लव मैरिज बेटर होती है दैन अरेंज मैरिज।
लव मैरिज बिकॉज यार सेम थिंग कि यार आप जिसके साथ लाइफ स्पेंड करोगे उसके बारे में आपको पता है कि वो बंदा कैसा है, उसके बाद कैसे उसको हैंडल करना है, कैसे क्या करना है। ठीक है,
डेफिनेटली अरेंज मैरिज यार। दिस इज व्हाट एक्सपीरियंस मेरा बोलता है क्लियर कट। जिस बंदे ने आना है डेफिनेटली जाना है। अल्टीमेटली यार पेरेंट्स की सुनो, खुश रहो।
I prefer arranged marriage. It is because I believe that my parents have seen the world more than me, so they have a better judgment than me, and they'll be able to find out the correct life for me.
I prefer love marriage. मैं तो बात ही कर लूँगा. I think because if you know a person for a long span of time, I think having life with future with that person is really good.
I prefer love marriage because I would like to take my independent decision. So in future some problem occurs, there's my responsibility and I won't be blaming somebody else or my parents.
Marriage is like finding the right person, whichever ways you find it. And like the only thing, the positive thing in love is you have a good amount of time to know the person, and there are no social issues, social pressure, to commit to that thing. So you can take your pretty sweet time and then decide. And in arrange is like you have committed and then you explore that person. And in love is opposite, like you explore that person then you commit.
Preferably love marriage to convince my parents for that. If they don't agree after so many efforts, if they don't agree to it, then I think I'll go with my parents.
My marriage was more of a middle path, just like from arranged kind of a thing where the only difference I had from arranged marriage was that I suggested the person. Otherwise, it went the proper way that an arranged marriage goes. So if you talk about my preference, I am more bent towards the arranged marriage because parents have experience and practicality on their side. So I believe that that is something to be taken notice.
I think arranged marriage is the practice in our scenario in the country, and it has its own established advantages over many centuries and all that. And love marriages are something which is foreign, so it has just come from outside, and we are yet to settle with it. So I would prefer that arranged marriage is always a better practice.
So love ka marriage. See, we cannot suggest or we cannot prefer, but we can only tell them what is our experience. Like what all we have learned from our all those years, from all these years, that only we can suggest. These are the pros, these are the cons. Now the final decision will be there, because you cannot force anyone. You can just suggest, give your suggestions.
Type of marriage, because arranged marriage is the right kind of person, and families were also interested in that. That's the reason I feel that it's better that family should know each other, and you also should know each other. I go for arranged marriage.
Mine was kind of liking, you can say, and then definitely parents were known to one another, so it's converted into a love come marriage, you can say. I always prefer whatever I have done because I'm completely satisfied with my decisions and with God's grace. So same I want for my girl also, and for all the girls.